people, how are you? Welcome back to Also Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. But today, as you can see, we will create this princess looking royal hairstyle. But because my hair is not that thick and long, thankful I have MHOT hair extensions that basically are already in my bun here. These are very good quality, amazing thickness. These hair extensions are affordable, and also they were so kind and gave us a coupon code that we can use to save even more money. So excited, let's get started.
I'll use some heat protection because we'll use today some heat tools. Then I'll select my top section and I'll clip it away for later. Then grabbing the rest, I'll make a middle ponytail a little higher than my eyebrows I'm showing here. You can use a simple elastic that you have at home. Then I leave some hair out, but that's optional. Also, I'll use some hairspray to fix my ponytail in place.
Okay, my loves, I'll talk a little bit, but just a little bit, because otherwise our tutorial will be too long. So I'm basically taking out my clip, but I'll use my crimpers. If you don't know what is that, you can click on the I button here, somewhere here. There I'll talk more about how to give more oomph and volume to your hairstyles. But today I'm making on only my top section. If you don't have crimpers, you can use a regular straightener, but make sure when making it, don't bring it downwards, but instead bring it upwards over your head, like so, you know. This way you create that volume. If you don't want to use too much heat, or you are just bored, you want to do something simple, use definitely dry shampoo. Let's make it.
I'm not using crimpers for the first section. From here I'll use my crimpers, but only for the roots, because we need just a little bit of volume, and that's it. Now I'll tease the roots of my hair, and then I'll apply some dry shampoo to make this grip, but without using any hairspray, so I can brush it afterwards. Spread it well through your roots. I'll leave some hair out. As I said, I love this look. Then grabbing my top section, I'll brush it and twist it and pin it using a bobby pin. Now guys, you can leave it as it is and use some hairspray to fix it, but I'll take a step further and I'll make these ribs that are so popular now. So basically I'm showing how I'm making them. For this I'm using my Aussie's Volume Up. Then I'm using some open pins. I'll fix them in place before hairspraying them. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Don't do them if you see that your hair is not brushed well. Brush it first and then do them. Also, if you are brunette, make sure to make only 5, not more than 5, because otherwise it will look really dirty. Then grabbing the ends, you want to tie it into your ponytail as well. Here, funny part, because we'll use our extensions, so I'm grabbing my first 4 clips weft and I'm clipping it on each other, and then I'll clip it to my ponytail and I'm making like a round shape like that. Then I'm clipping my 3 clips weft. I'll attach it near my ponytail and then 2 clips weft. Then grabbing my donut bun, I'll unravel it, and I thought mine are too small. That's why I used 2 small of them. If your donut bun is bigger, it's enough one. Then you want to wrap it like I'm showing and pin it over your ponytail. then I will use now my hair only, tease a little bit, and then tie it underneath with a clear elastic, the ends tuck into the donut bun and pin it in place. Now I'll curl my extensions, but guys, if you find this harder, you can first curl your extensions and only then apply it. Now using bobby pins, we'll grab our curls, brush it with your fingers, and then twist it and pull it, creating these voluminous curls. You want to pin it over our created bun. Make sure when we do this to crisscross them, this way you'll make more volume. Also guys, when you pull your curls, make sure this is accurate and don't mess it up too much, because otherwise it looks like a total mess and not this curly bun. Even though I love messy looks, that's not for wedding or a special occasion. So you can see what I'm doing. Also, if you feel like any curls are falling down, you can use some open bobby pins to fix them at the shape that you like. As you are making them, make sure to not use too much spray. You want to hairspray it only at the end, so otherwise your curls will be too sticky. So you want to continue these steps over and over again. And guys, make sure you are working with your mirror, okay? Because it's really hard to do it on yourself without a mirror, right? I know what I'm talking about because I'm doing when filming this way. I also just like the look of some curls out, but that's optional, you can pin them as well. Now to give more volume to my front pieces, I'll use again some hairspray, and I'll spread it through the roots again to make it more voluminous. Also guys, I decided to use a crown for this hairstyle, but you can use flowers or leave it as it is. I hope that you like it as well. So when you accessorize it, you're perfect done.
If you enjoyed this hair tutorial, don't forget about thumbs up. This is an amazing way to tell me thank you for my work. Also make sure to make that subscribe button gray and the bell notification as well, so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. But that's it for today. You know, I love you so much. Bye!